Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to enable the two-step verification on your Twitter, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You may start by opening up your Twitter, and once you open up your Twitter, what you may do is go to your profile in the top left and select it, and then access your settings and support from here and open up your settings and privacy. Now once you open up your settings and privacy, what you may do is basically look out for the section for security and tap on it. The second option, the security and account access, and within there look out for the option for security and tap on it. Now once you tap on security, what you may do is look out for two-factor authentication here, and once you select two-factor authentication, you can tap on learn more to read about it, or tap on two-factor authentication to go ahead and enable the two-factor authentication. So we have text message authentication app and security key available. So you can choose the one that you would like to use as an authenticator. For example, if I would like to use text message, you can enable that option. And once you enable it, you can choose a verification method. So you can just go over and do so, and you need to provide in and follow the prompts to link your account, and you will need your password and scan a QR code and confirm your phone number to finish it up. You can just go over and do so. You can enable it. You can tap on open browser to add up a security key if you're using that, or if you're adding authentication application, you can even use authentication application, enable it, and then enter up your password to confirm it is really you, and just follow the process. And once it is done, your authentication will be enabled, and you can just go over and use that whenever you're trying to log in into other devices. So usually that is how you do it. You may follow up this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.